All right, guys, here we go. Let's just do an easy version of this really quick. All right, number one. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. Okay. This is the one I did in class, twice Devin's dumb number. So if we call Devin's number D, then twice that is 2D is equals 1 less than is minus 1. And 3 times my favorite number, we'll say 3J. So we have the equation 2D equals negative 1 plus 3J. And we also have the equation, let's see, together our numbers make 22. So that means Devin's number plus Jimmy's number is 22. There's a bunch of ways you can do this. Probably the easiest way is, I would say, I'll just throw the J to the other side. This is what we did in class. And D equals 22 minus J. And now I can use substitution. I can plug 22 minus J in for D on the other one, and this is the one we did in class, so you should have it. All right, number 2. I think we did this in class. Also, 3x, let's see. If you're talking about the perimeter, then we have y over here and 3x over here as well. So you have 3x plus y plus 3x plus y is 6x plus 2y is, and we said in class the perimeter was 26, equals 26. And then y equals 3x plus 1. Y equals 3x plus 1. So you can plug in 3x plus 1 in for this y, and you can figure that out. All right, let's see, this one. Elaine bought a total of 15 shirts and pairs of pants. So shirts plus pants equals 15. She bought 7 more shirts than pants. So shirts do not equal pants. There weren't the same number of shirts and pants. To make that equal, she bought 7 more shirts. So you could either take away 7 from the shirts or add 7 to the pants in order to make that equal. So she bought 7 more shirts than pants. So you can now use substitution. Let's see. Together, Preston and Horatio have 49 games. So Preston plus Horatio equals 49. Horatio has 11 more than Preston, so Horatio is not equal to Preston. Horatio has 11 more, so if I wanted to make this equal, I'd have to add 11 to Preston. All right, so now you can use substitution to figure out how much they each have. Let's go up to, I'll erase this. I didn't need to erase that, but whatever. Okay. We have 35 kids, but 86 eyes. How many of you wear glasses? So we could say G equals glasses. G equals glasses for that one. And maybe N equals no glasses. So there's 35 kids. So if you add together the glasses kids plus the no glasses kids, we have 35 kids in class. But how many eyes does each person? We're going to add up eyes. You know, when they say someone with glasses, there's 4 eyes. So that was just the joke there. So 4 eyes for each glasses kid plus 2 eyes for every no glasses kid. And that equaled our 86 eyes. Okay, so there's a bunch of, maybe this one I would do, I don't know, maybe I would do substitution. Where if I put this one underneath this one, I could go glasses plus no glasses equals 35. And then maybe, or sorry, not substitution, elimination. Maybe I think about what I can multiply by. Maybe I can multiply by -2 so that the ends cancel each other out. If you wanted to cancel the g's out, you would have to multiply by -4. So you have a positive or a negative. But I'd probably keep it simple and multiply by -2 to make it -2 times bigger so the ends cancel out and figure out what g's are. And then figure out from there how many no glasses. Okay, this one I'm picking on Emily. Her grade is great. I'm just making fun of her. Jordan's grade and Emily's grade total 127%. So Jordan plus Emily equals 127. But Jordan's grade, so this is where kind of like problem number 1. Jordan's grade J equals 2% more than, so positive 2 more than, so plus 2, 4 times Emily's grade. So that was positive 4 Emily's. So it's basically 4 Emily's plus 2. All right, so you know what J equals, you can plug it in there and figure out. All right, and then the last one, making fun of the Griffith soccer team. I predict there will be 42 shots in today's game, but Griffith's shot total will be only 2/5 of Stauffer's. All right, so if you say Griffith's shots plus Stauffer's shots will be equal to 42, but Griffith's is only going to be equal to 2/5 of Stauffer. So now I know what G is. I can plug it in there. And there's the equations. If you guys need more than that, let me know. But hopefully you guys can get it from there. Okay, bye.